So we can schedule that session from the scheduler or from TV Meet, and I'm going to show you how to do both. So first from TV Meet, we're going to choose Book Appointment, choose our service, date, time, and client. Great, so you'll see that that session is coming up in a few hours. So we're going to head back to the scheduler and see how we do create a session from here. So we click on the schedule portion, choose our video session, the service, and our client. So here you'll see that the date and time is already being picked. As we pick that on the calendar side, we have the location set to video session, and then you have your video provider. Now you do have the option, depending on your college requirements and your needs, or if you're using other secure video providers, that you can choose one of those video providers here, and you can put that link here. Save that video session. Now we're ready to join that video session. We come back into our calendar event and we'll see that this button is now blue and says join session. So we simply click that button, which will deploy our next window. I'm going to show you what that looks like in TV Meet. Again, you're going to see that here. This is where all of your video sessions will live, and you can go ahead and hit that big blue join session button. So you can see that it's deploying me into another window. So here we are. We're going to come in muted with our camera off, and now we're just waiting for our client to arrive. So we're first going to look at how to log in for a client and then how to join that video session. So you'll remember that on the practitioner side, we sent our client a welcome email. So here we see that welcome email in our client's email. It's inviting them to set up their client portal for your practice. They have a little bit of instruction here. There's a few videos for them to watch if they get stuck. So what your client needs to do is go ahead and click that Get Started button. That will bring them here to a login page where they're going to set their password. They're being prompted to set their password, so they will have to put it in twice this first time. Then you'll go ahead and confirm. All right, now that the password has been set, they just have to enter that password one more time to enter into their client portal. And here they are. Now our client is ready to join our session. So they did get a reminder about this appointment that was created, and that looks like this. The date and time of that session, and then the client is then prompted to log into their client portal. So they're going to come here again to your practice demo page, and they just need to come up here and choose to log in. They've entered their email and password, and then once they've logged in, they're here again and able to see. So your client doesn't necessarily have to go through these reminder emails. If they do, if they've bookmarked your page and they're able to log in, they'll be able to see those sessions that they'll be able to join. So now our client is ready to join our session. As the client comes in, they're going to notice this is them up in the corner. I'm Amarillos, and they're able to see down here in the bottom. You could sometimes have to just really kind of move your mouse around to get things to stay on the bottom here. My mouse is being a little bit funny. You can toggle that view if you'd like to see each other side by side, and you come in with your camera off and muted just for security. And now you're ready to have your session. Enjoy.